Hi guys, my name is Bellamy. I've been with LivBay for 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, hit the subscription button down below. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to pick your perfect tweezer. First things first, there's a whole variety of tweezers: boot tweezers, hook tweezers, straight tweezers, curved tweezers, 90-degree angle tweezers, but all can be used for lashing. When it comes to tweezers, it comes down to personal preference. The best advice I can give you is to just try a bunch out. For different sets, you'll have to use different types of tweezers. For example, I use Rainbow Babies and Magic Mics for volume, and for mega volume, I use Magic Mics to isolate and Rainbow Babies to make fan. For classic sets, I use straight tweezers and I use a curved tweezer to isolate. Some things to consider when picking out your tweezer are definitely the size of your hands, the weight of the tweezer. Each tweezer has a different sweet spot and a different grip, and how much pressure you have to put on the tweezer. If you guys like a more in-depth look on LivBay's tweezers, click the video up above. The best advice that I can give you is that if you find a tweezer that you love, definitely buy multiple pairs of it. Each tweezer is made in batches, and some batches might not be the same. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value. If you are looking to become a certified lash tech, go to livbaylashclass.com to find us in a city near you. Question for you: what is your all-time favorite tweezer? Go ahead and leave your answer in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!